Kuching. Some describe it as one of the most beautiful cities in Southeast Asia, and that's exactly why I'm here, to find out for myself. Hey guys, and welcome to Destinations.
We're here in my hometown, Kuching, Sarawak.
We are here for the Rainforest World Music Festival.
It's a 3-day event filled with workshops and concerts all day long.
Awesome! So when can we go?
I'll bring you there shortly. Let's go around city centre before we head over to Santubong.
Walking along the main bazaar, you can find all sorts of interesting trinkets, from traditional headgear to wood carvings. Even walking through the shops was a touching experience for me, as due to modernisation, fewer of the younger generation are interested to actually learn the beauties of the handicraft industry. And it's sad to see it fighting to survive extinction, as I've never seen such detailed skills anywhere else in the world.
This is actually a blowpipe.
I think we should bring it to the festival tomorrow.
Yeah.
And anyone in our way will
We'll hunt them down.
poke them.
Okay, and this is the traditional sape. They only have 3 strings. There's a guy right now that actually adds in an electrical system, so it becomes quite loud, because currently right now they're really, really soft, and this is not really tight. The music that you hear is really relaxing. You'll see it during Rainforest.
So along with the peppermint tea, if you want to spice up some things, then you can get some spicy pepper perfume. Never heard of this before, but yeah, I'm sure that will make you smell spicy and hot. Okay, so what's this?
Okay, this is something that you must try. We're famous for this. It's called mee kolok. It's made, it's handmade noodles, and it has minced chicken.
Why is it red? It looks like tomatoes.
It's actually a sweet layer on top, so it's a bit more of a sweet tooth, which is something that you like, I heard.
Yeah.
So you want to dig in?
Yes, okay. I'm not very good at chopsticks, so bear
try your
with
best.
me.
So how do you find it?
I think I need to taste a bit more to see my final verdict on this. Okay, how do you do this? Or you meant to just suck it in?
Well, you actually are supposed to use the spoon.
Oh, okay.
Put it on the spoon and then put the spoon in your mouth. A lot more easier.
Ah, okay.
You got it.
Oh my god, it's spicy.
What was spicy?
No one told me about the spicy sauce. Richest girl cannot eat spice. Well, this one can't anyway.
There's a saying, we never noticed the beauty as we were too busy trying to create it, and being in Kuching, surrounded by all of this untouched nature, makes you appreciate why we are really in this world, to live, laugh and love.
My name is Matthew Ngao Chao. Yeah, I'm the leader of this group Lan E Tuyang. Yeah, Lan E Tuyang means friend. You know, true friends.
We've noticed that in the Rainfest, every single year they use the sape as an icon.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So could you explain a little bit about the sape?
Sape is our traditional music instrument belonging to the Orang Ulu, Kenyah, Kayan. Yeah.
What do you feel about the festival? What opinions do you have
Oh,
about it?
this festival is, I'm always looking forward for this festival. This festival is unique because here we meet all the musicians all over the world. Yeah, displaying their culture, their music. But in this way, the world become friendly. Yeah.
True, very
Okay.
true. Could you play something for us and teach us after that?
Oh,
a bit?
you want me to hear? You want to
Yes.
hear? Okay. The common one is Datun Yulut. Very simple one. See, goes this way.
You can hear the birds tweeting to the beat of the music and the wind blowing all of the rainforest freshness into your soul. One of the first workshops we attended was a drum circle, and although the festival has been around for many years, it was the first time that this workshop was taking place, so no one knew what to expect. As I took a seat in the circle, I could see around 100 different instruments surrounding me and happy faces looking hopeful and excited to get started. It was incredible how amazing it turned out, as you'd think that a group of beginners banging on instruments they've never played before would sound awful, but it was actually the opposite.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, allow me to say Selamat Datang for the 17th Rainforest World Music Festival.
All of the workshops that I took part in were held in stunning traditional houses inside the village, such as the Ibang Long House, the Malay House, and the Legenda Hall. It's one thing seeing the beauty of the building from the outside, but as soon as you enter, the fine details unwind further and take you back in time. I've learnt many traditional dances before, but always in a dance studio. This just brought the whole experience to a new level. Workshops were so unpredictable. 1 minute we were dancing in one spot, the next everyone is randomly joining each other's friends and family without a care in the world. I've learnt many traditional dances before, but always in a dance studio. This just brought the whole experience to a new level.
And as you can see, it's very, very hot.
In this weather and simple moves.
Yeah, but it's really, really nice being able to being able to dance to a live band. You don't really get the chance to do that like back home, and so
That's what you get here in Rainforest. Everything is not going to be on the sound system. Everything's going to be live for you to see.
Even though I was all danced out from the previous workshop, I went straight into the next. This dance was called the Narjat dance. Someone told me that it involves a lot of precise body-turning movements whilst maintaining a soft and graceful feel. Now, I may be a dancer, but I didn't know this workshop would be so intense.
So how do you feel it?
well, as a dancer, I've never done anything like this before, and it's definitely just different to the other Malaysian workshop we did. I wish I could have tried the guys dancing as well, because they did this eagle
that's more
dance,
challenging.
and it was like this, like I thought it looked really. Like usually when guys dance, they'll be like masculine, but this was masculine in a different
Gentle.
way.
It was
It's a
gentle.
different way. I really, really liked it, and the outfits as well. I want to be in this tribe.
This festival has an international reputation for being one of the best festivals in the world. So to come and play here for any band is a sign to other festival organisers, is a sign to the folk press across the world that you're a band, you know, that's being taken very seriously.
Sarawak has been an exotic place. We are here for the first time and we really loved this place. And going back to India, I think we'll really talk about Sarawak and the hospitality that we have had here. It's unique. We are very thankful for that. And for the message, I would say it is music from heart to heart. All the genres of music that we have around the world, sometimes they all appeal to everyone, whether you understand the language or you don't, but you really feel the tune and you really feel the pulse of the music. So there I believe that the terminology world music stands.
I'm Kat from Lim Kok Kwing University in Malaysia. This is to anyone. How would you describe your band to someone who has never heard of you before?
We are a band based in Wales, but performing and writing our own original music, which is very much rooted in the traditional Celtic. So we try and all this music goes in as I'm growing up, and then I write tunes and it comes out again. I think that's the simplest way of putting it.
Ça fait plaisir, on attendait ce moment depuis des mois et maintenant l'opportunité s'est présentée pour nous. Vraiment, ce festival vaut plus que de l'or et nous sommes prêts vraiment à faire vibrer le continent asiatique avec la musique africaine.
some noise.
Looking around, everything seems so natural and pure. Carvings and equipment made out of wood, boats made from bamboo, and people making clothes from scratch. Nowadays in Britain, we just rely on a machine to build what we need, forgetting the vital life skills that once ruled over anything. The local people here are ever so friendly, always willing to educate you on what they've made and the story behind making it. This is the great thing about this music festival. Instead of just buying some item from the supermarket, you can come here and learn about how they've made it, the ingredients, how long it took, and even the history of their family business. It's a gentle reminder of how we take some things for granted.
So, do you have a booth here every single year?
Yes, because they invite us. Talking about in Sarawak here, we are well known for our creativity, innovation on all things, how we transform things into a value, things like this. So we will always be here every festival. Yeah, our team is always be there. We design like T-shirts, like caps, because they trust on us, the Lim Kok Wing Borneo here. All right, this is the design that Lim Kok Wing designed on it.
That's nice.
Yeah,
It's two hands.
It's two hands with a tribal design here.
Rainforest
yes.
World Crafts Bazaar.
Yes. So this is what we have.
Lim Kok Wing.
Yes.
Lim Kok Wing.
I didn't know it was Lim Kok Wing.
Here we are. Right?
Yes.
Okay, Pat. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
We'll catch you later.
Enjoy your day here.
Thank you very much.
See you. Yeah, all right.
Hello.
Hi.
So, are you all students or lecturers here?
Lecturers.
Lecturers?
Yes.
Okay, so where did you learn how to do henna?
Creativity.
Just
Of
Lim
our
Kok
talent,
Wing. We are
yes.
always creative anyway.
Multi-talented people.
Exactly.
Yes, and then we don't have a proper fixed design. It just comes from our minds and we just draw it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So,
So surprise me right now. Something quite small here maybe.
Okay.
okay, how long does it take to
Do one.
do?
If this small, probably like less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so while you get your henna done, I'm gonna quickly get my tattoo.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll catch you soon.
Okay, catch you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
It had been a long day, but I couldn't sit still when I was waiting for my tattoo to be completed, as even for the 5 minutes that I was sitting down, my nose drifted off into the heavenly smells coming from the food stalls behind me. My eyes wandered off to the colourful traditional costumes walking my way, and my ears were exploring all of the crazily cool sounds coming from the distance.
All right.
Yay! Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, see my tattoo here, matching, colour coordinating. I'm gonna go back to see Sue, and I'm sure she's gonna be jealous.
It's really nice.
What do you mean?
Hello.
Hey!
So let's see.
There, it's out there.
So why is it? What happens here? Why has it got the stuff on it?
It's actually, I need to wait for it to dry, so let's see what happens after that.
Do you
It's
want
quite
to see
strong.
mine?
Where's yours? Oh, that's so cute!
I got it matching with this. Okay, I know a way to settle it.
Okay,
This.
blowpipe.
What is this?
It's a blowpipe actually.
Okay.
Okay, let's try that. Okay. Yeah!
You're good at this. Have you done this before?
No, this is my first time trying it. Okay.
Any tips?
You just hold for yourself.
Ah,
Mine's
yeah,
closer, so I win. Let's try this out. This is called gussing or top spinning. I don't know whether you have that in the UK. I'm sure you do, right?
Kind of like a yo-yo. Does it go up and down?
No, it actually rotates around.
So kena ketat dulu,
Okay.
just start like this first. Second time ketat lagi. You say 3 like this. 1, stay. 2, and just throw and pull. Okay, not to straighten your arm, just use pistol, just throw and then pull.
Be smooth.
Twist your hand.
Feel it.
Twist your hand.
Like that.
Yeah.
Be one with the top.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay, good try.
Okay.
The Rainforest World Music Festival really does serve as a gateway to open your mind to new music, new styles of dance, new interests, and of course, new friends. This event enables us to unite as one for 3 days, forgetting the developed world as it is today and forming a strong love for the one that our ancestors had the joy of experiencing.
It's a song dedicated.
the Fun Festives are finally over, but I think it's absolutely incredible the way that the artists, the equipment, the instruments were all brought here into this beautiful rainforest. And I mean, I thought it's absolutely perfect, the way the acoustic sounds and the transitions in between each act were flawless.
They were smooth all the way
Yes.
through. Agree with you fully. We here in Sarawak look forward to this event every single year. We actually get to meet a lot of international people. We get to meet people with different ages, different jobs. I really, really love the vibe.
Yeah.
But we get to also learn a lot about international culture, local culture especially. What was your favorite?
My favourite workshop of this entire trip was the New Zealand workshop.
Yes.
We had to do this jump thing, do you remember? It was like this, and you had to slap your legs,
Yeah.
do the face,
The scary one.
Yeah, what was yours?
My favorite was actually the drum circle, where we get to play the percussions and you
Yes.
play the drums. I'm actually quite musically challenged.
No,
so
no. She is not musically challenged. She was amazing. She was standing next to me, and your vibe was absolutely delicious.
I think it's the Rainforest, that's why.
No, but all in all, I thought this experience is a one-in-a-lifetime chance to explore all the cultures from all around the world, and I will definitely be coming back next year. But the sad thing is, I don't want it to be over.
Who says it has to end? There's
What
a
do you
party
mean?
somewhere.
Bye!